Today is 16th of May and it's a great day for me. Today our family members grew up to 600. That's a great day for me and I'm really excited to be in this place. The number is really very big for me. I've never thought when I started my channel that there will be someday 600 people joining me to learn maths. We all together can make a different world of mathematics, and I'm really very thankful to all of you for keep supporting my channel, and I hope all of you are enjoying the contents of my channel. And if suppose you need some particular videos on some certain topics, or if you're facing some problems on a particular topics, don't hesitate to comment down below. I love to make videos on that till I come to with my exciting new videos, and I just want to give you a small hint on that video what is all about. I hope all of you like my series on CBSE, and that's our next upcoming content on CBSE. I hope all of you will like this. Let's have a quick hint on this. এক্সাম ফিনিশ হওয়ার আগে নিউ সিপাইসের ক্লাস পাল্টে দেবো রেজাল্ট, ওরা করতো আমায় ইনস্টল, আমায় করতো দেবো জবাব So I hope you can guess the song. What is this song all about? It's a parody song of a certain popular Bengali song, and there will be a very exciting video on CBSE, and that episode is coming very soon. So stay tuned on my channel. Till then, bye bye.